problem shows a uniform distribution. Why is this uniform? Well, the x-axis is your random variable. It's something that goes between 0 and 9. And your y-axis is your probability. And it's in this case, it's at 1/9, which means I don't know what these numbers represent. Let's make believe it's scores on some kind of a test. What they're saying is the probability that you get a 0 on the test is a 9th. The probability you get a 1 on a test is a 9th. It's the same. That's why they call it uniform. When you graph it, it looks like a rectangle. So they want it. Oh, another thing we should mention for a probability distribution, for any probability distribution, the area under the curve, in this case, the rectangle, the area has to equal 1, which goes in line with, when you add up all the probabilities, they also have to equal 1. So basically what we're saying is the area of this rectangle has to equal 1. And I think you can see that it does, because if you do the area of a rectangle, you do length, which is 9, times the width, which in this case is a 9th. So 9 times a 9th is 1. But in this problem, they want us to find the probability of the shaded region. Probability corresponds to area. So basically, they just want us to find the area of this shaded rectangle right here. So how do you find the area of a rectangle? It's just length times width. What's the length? 6 to 8 is a length of 2. The width of the height is 1/9, so it's 2 times 1/9, which is the correct answer. So for this problem, you got to remember that the area of the whole rectangle is 1, which corresponds to probability. And if they ask you for a probability of a certain region, you find the area of that region, and that will correspond to the probability. I hope that helps.